Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the previous class, we solved the problems on integrals, exercise 7.1. Today, let us solve the problems on substitution method. Integrate by substitution method. Okay. Exercise 7.2. Exercise 7.2. Integrate the following with respect to x. Integrate with respect to x. Okay, let us take the first problem. Integration of 2x into sine of x square plus 1 dx. Okay, 2x sine of x square plus 1 into dx. Okay, so we cannot integrate directly, so let us substitute in this first. So let us write first sine of x square plus 1 into 2x dx. Then here, so let us take x square plus 1 is equal to t. Then differentiation. In the substitution method, we have to differentiate also. So x square differentiation is 2x plus 1 differentiation is 0. Then dt by dx. Then 2x dx is equal to dt. Let us substitute here. So integration of sine of t, in the place of x square plus 1 we can write it as t. 2x dx can be written as dt. So with respect to dt we have to integrate. So integration of sine we know cos x, here cos t. So plus c is on constant. So what is the value of t? Cos of x square plus 1 plus c. So this is the answer. Okay, take down the next problem. So integration of tan to the power of 4 root x secant square root x by root x dx. Okay, so here let us substitute first here, or let us separate it first. So integration of tan to the power of 4 root x into secant square root x into 1 by root x dx. Okay, so let us substitute here. First, root x is equal to t. Root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x, then dt by dx. Again here 1 by root x dx is equal to 2 dt. Okay, so in the place of 1 by root x dx we can substitute 2 dt. In the place of root x we can substitute t. Tan to the power of 4t secant square t, then we can substitute here 2 dt. Okay, 2 dt. So again we can substitute here, or we can solve directly if possible, or we can go for the substitution method. We go for the substitution method here again. So let us write here 2 constant tan to the power of 4t secant square t dt we can write. Okay, again we can take tan t is equal to u or v, anything. Okay, so tan differentiation is secant square t is equal to du by dt. So secant square t dt is equal to du. Okay, again we can take a substitution. In the place of tan, we can write it as tan u to the power of 4. Secant square dt can be written as du. So now we have to integrate with respect to u. So integration of this, you know that integration of x to the power of n with respect to x is x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So if you integrate u to the power of 5 by 5 plus c, then we can substitute 2 in the place of u, tan to the power of 4t by 5 plus c. In the place of t, we have to write root x. So if you substitute 2 tan to the power of 5 root x by 5 plus c. So this is the answer. Okay. Take down the next question. So next one, third one, integration of sine mx dx. You can integrate directly, or you can go for the substitution method. If you go for direct method, integration of sine is cos minus cos. Then in the place with our x, there is m is there mx by m plus c. So this is the answer for the third one. Let us go for the next one, fourth one. Integration of sine of tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx. Okay. So here, let us separate first sine of tan inverse x into 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Okay, so let us substitute tan inverse x as an t. So differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square dt by dx. Then 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to dt. Then let us substitute here sine of t. Then so we can write it as dt. Then integration of this minus cos t plus c. So t differentiation with the value of t is cos of tan inverse x plus c. Okay, take down the next one. So integration of sine cube x cos square x dx. Okay, so let us take here sine x is equal to t. Let us take sine x is equal to t. Differentiation of sine is here cos x. Differentiation of sine is cos x. Okay, cos x is equal to dt by dx. Then cos x dx is equal to dt. Cos x dx is equal to dt. Something is wrong. Okay. So yeah, sorry, cos square x is there. So if there is a cos x, we can follow that method. So let us take here. So here sin cube cos square x dx is there. So sin square x cos square x sin x dx we can write, okay. Then we know the identity of sin square theta. Sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, so we can substitute here 1 minus cos square x into cos square x into sin x dx. Okay, so you can substitute here. So let us take here, or if you multiply what happens here, cos into 1 is cos square x sin x, then again minus cos to the power of 4 x sin x dx. Okay, so here if you substitute here cos x is equal to t, then differentiation is minus sin x is equal to dt by dx, then sin x dx is equal to minus dt. So we can write separately. So cos square x sin x dx minus cos to the power of 4x sin x dx. So again you can substitute here this as an t square, so this as an minus dt, then t to the power of 4, this as an minus dt, that can be written as minus t square plus t to the power of 4 dt, or you can write t to the power of 4 minus t square dt. If you integrate, then t to the power of 5 by 5 minus t to the power of 3 by 3 plus c, then t value is cos to the power of 5 by 5 minus cos to the power of 3 by 3 plus c. Okay, take down the problem. Same problem, if it has given here cos x means we can go for the direct substitution method. Sin x is equal to t, sin x differentiation is cos x, then dt by dx, then cos x dx is equal to dt. Then we can write here t cube dt, then t to the power of 4 by 4 plus c, then t value is sine to the power of 4x by 4 plus c. Okay. Okay, take down the assignment questions. Integration of sin x by sine of x plus a dx, then 1 by 1 plus tan x dx, then next 2x by 1 plus x square dx, then next one log x whole square by x dx, then fifth one 1 by x plus x log x dx. So these are the 5 questions as an assignment.